This is a black pine, and this one is a juniper. And how to grow the juniper and pine, and we put it in a pot, and be careful of the soil, and the sunlight is very important, and give the water. Sometimes give some fertilizer. Black pine juniper is very popular in the bonsai world. They like black pine and juniper because they grow very slow. This is a good challenge. And we want to, this trees is bonsai in a pot is look very old. In winter, if you have a snow, they will stop to grow. We call the dormant season. In Taiwan, the dormant season is from December 22 until April 5th. This 3 months is dormant for the black pine and juniper. So in this season, we can change the pot and change the soil, cut a little bit roots. It's a very good season. And I think different country, they have different season. For example, in Australia, it's opposite. Because winter in Australia, winter is June, start from June, July. I think that's a different time.